Research and Testing at Bartimeus. Welcome to Bartimeus. To monitor the condition of a child's vision and to detect possible problems, we conduct a series of tests and we observe and analyse the child's visual behaviour. Visual acuity test. We measure the details your child is able to see, both nearby and from a distance. The eyes will be assessed separately and together. The test includes pictures for preliterate young children and letters and numbers for children who can name them. Test using a fixation light. We use the light to examine eye alignment and movement, and how the eyes react to the light. Visual field testing. With the 4 to 5-year-olds, we assess visual field by showing objects in front of them and coming from different directions. This is usually a small white ball, or a brightly coloured object on a long thin stick. With older children, we use a computer to assess their visual range. The children are asked to press a button each time they see a fixed or a moving light within a large sphere. Handheld photo. Compare the eye to a circular room that has wallpapered walls. The wallpaper is called the retina. Through the opening in the front part of the eye, the pupil, we can take a good picture of the retina. This test is best performed in a slightly darkened room. We also perform the test using different equipment, including a chin rest. Handheld OCT. The retina has several layers. We use an OCT to make pictures of these separate layers. Older children are asked to place the chin on a chin rest. Colour vision. The ability to see colours can be examined using a variety of tests. The child is given a booklet containing different coloured figures. The child is asked to name or match the figures. Another test shows 15 coloured caps that can be placed in order. Contrast vision. Half dark and half light circles are shown on the computer screen. We ask the child which half of the circle is dark, top or bottom. Skioscopy or retinoscopy. The test can be performed with or without eye drops. This is how we figure out whether the child is far-sighted or nearsighted and the possible need for prescription glasses. We use a moving light while holding different lenses in front of the eye. The lens power, far-sighted or nearsighted, can also be measured by a computer with the child looking into it. When you estimate that some parts of the examination are exciting for your child, you can play the examinations at home in advance. Additional examinations, such as a VEP or ERG, may be necessary. If that is the case, you will have been notified. More information can be found on the Bartimeus website.